Calder's getting upset. He's getting upset. But he doesn't know he's about to get his first Christmas present from Uncle Arthur. Yes, he's about to get his first Christmas present from Uncle Arthur. Do you want to hold him, Arthur?
Sure.
Go over there.
Well, just tell us what it is.
Yeah. Let's see what it is.
Let's see.
Some serious chocolate.
What did you get, Calder?
What is it?
Wow, there is lots of stuff in here. Wrap it.
This is your present.
Learn and grow. Cool.
Ooh. Calder, are you very impressed?
Christmas, Calder.
Ooh.
Cool, this is going to be perfect for him.
Yeah.
There you go.
Say thanks, Uncle Arthur.
This for you.
I think we saw this at the party today, too. It was pretty cool. The kids were playing. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, he's saying he loves it. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah. Say thanks. Say thanks, Calder.